Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, envious of those who seem to have an endless stream of income from unconventional sources? Or perhaps you've dreamed of turning your passion project into a profitable venture, but the fear of failure holds you back. Well, you're not alone. According to a recent survey, over 60% of Americans wish they had a side hustle to supplement their income. What if I told you that the key to unlocking a new revenue stream lies within your daily routine? That's right. The activities and tasks you already perform can be transformed into a money-making machine with the right mindset and strategies. In this video, we'll explore how to identify potential income streams within your daily routine, develop a strategic plan to monetize your skills and hobbies, maximize your time and resources, and ultimately turn your routine into a profitable business. We'll also discuss various monetization methods, both passive and active, to diversify your income sources and achieve financial stability. The first step in turning your daily routine into a money-making machine is to take a closer look at the activities you engage in regularly. Whether it's cooking, gardening, playing video games, or even commuting, there could be hidden opportunities waiting to be unlocked. Once you've identified your daily tasks and hobbies, it's time to get creative and brainstorm ways to monetize them. The possibilities are endless, and the key is to think outside the box. For instance, if you're an avid reader, you could start a book review blog or podcast. If you have a knack for photography, you could offer your services as a freelance photographer or sell your best shots online. Other options include social media influencing, freelance writing, online tutoring, or even creating and selling digital products like ebooks or courses. However, it's crucial to remember that success often lies in pursuing something you're truly passionate about and have expertise in. While the allure of quick money can be tempting, building a sustainable income stream requires dedication, hard work, and a genuine interest in your chosen area. When you combine your passion with your skills and knowledge, you'll not only enjoy the journey but also have a higher chance of standing out in a crowded market. Once you've identified the income streams you want to pursue, it's time to develop a solid strategy. The first step is to define your target audience. Who are the people most likely to be interested in your products or services? Understanding their needs, pain points, and preferences will help you tailor your offerings and messaging effectively. Next, you'll need to create a brand and establish an online presence. Your brand is the face of your business, and it should reflect your values, personality, and the unique value you offer. This includes creating a professional website, setting up social media accounts, and building a portfolio or showcasing your work. A strong online presence will not only make it easier for potential customers to find you but also help establish trust and credibility. With your brand and online presence in place, it's time to promote your services or products actively. This can be done through various channels, such as content marketing, paid advertising, and networking. Remember, developing a well-rounded strategy is crucial for success. It will help you stay focused, attract the right audience, and ultimately turn your daily routine into a sustainable and profitable venture. Time is a precious commodity, and maximizing your routine is essential to turning it into a money-making machine. One of the key strategies is to implement effective time management techniques. Start by prioritizing your tasks based on their importance and urgency, ensuring that you focus on the most critical activities first. Additionally, batch similar tasks together, such as answering emails or scheduling social media posts, to minimize context switching and increase productivity. Finally, identify and eliminate time wasters that drain your energy and distract you from your goals.
If you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube videos in a matter of seconds using a specific AI tool. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube short scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal. deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Another powerful tactic is to outsource or automate certain tasks that consume a significant portion of your time but don't necessarily require your direct involvement. Virtual assistants can handle administrative tasks, scheduling, and other routine activities, freeing up your time for more strategic and income-generating pursuits. Scheduling tools and automation software can also streamline processes and reduce the burden of repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Ultimately, the goal is to seamlessly incorporate income-generating activities into your daily routine. This could involve dedicating specific blocks of time to work on your side hustle, such as an hour before or after your regular job, or utilizing pockets of time during your commute or lunch break. It's essential to find a balance that works for you, ensuring that your daily routine remains sustainable and enjoyable while still providing opportunities to pursue your income-generating endeavors. By maximizing your routine through effective time management, outsourcing, and strategic incorporation of income-generating activities, you'll be better equipped to turn your daily tasks into a well-oiled money-making machine. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to achieving long-term success in this endeavor. Hey everyone, before we go any further into today's content, I wanted to share an awesome resource that I think you'll find really helpful: TubeMagic. TubeMagic is a great software if you are looking to start a YouTube channel. It has so many great features, from script writing to video ideas, even to keyword research and so much more. If you are looking to start your own YouTube automation channel, create a source of passive income, and quit your 9-to-5, you need to check this out. If you're interested in checking it out, I've got a special affiliate link for you in the description below. Using this link helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Now let's get back to the video. Passive income streams are an attractive option for those seeking to generate income without actively trading their time for money. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting and selling other companies' products or services. Additionally, creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or downloadable templates can provide a steady stream of passive income once the initial work is done. On the other hand, active income streams involve directly exchanging your time and expertise for compensation. Freelancing is a popular choice, allowing you to offer your skills on a project-by-project basis to clients. Consulting and coaching are other options, where you provide expert advice and guidance to individuals or businesses in your area of expertise. Ultimately, the key to long-term financial stability lies in diversifying your income sources. By combining both passive and active income streams, you create a well-rounded portfolio that can weather economic fluctuations and changes in market demand. For example, you could offer freelance writing services while simultaneously earning affiliate commissions from product recommendations on your blog. Or, you could develop and sell an online course while also providing one-on-one coaching sessions. Diversification not only mitigates risk but also allows you to capitalize on multiple revenue streams, increasing your overall earning potential. As you explore various monetization methods, consider your skills, interests, and available resources to create a unique blend that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Turning your daily routine into a money-making machine is not just about implementing the right strategies. It also requires a strong mindset and unwavering persistence. One of the biggest obstacles you'll face is overcoming mental barriers and self-doubt. Imposter syndrome, fear of failure, and negative self-talk can hold you back from taking action and pursuing your goals. To combat these mental hurdles, cultivate a growth mindset, celebrate small wins, and surround yourself with a supportive network. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. Developing a consistent routine and work ethic is crucial for long-term success. Treat your side hustle or income-generating activities with the same level of commitment and discipline as you would a full-time job. Establish a regular schedule, set achievable goals, and hold yourself accountable. Consistency breeds momentum, and with each small step, you'll build the necessary habits and resilience to sustain your efforts. Finally, it's essential to embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. The digital landscape and market trends are ever evolving, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge and skills, and be willing to pivot or adjust your approach as needed. Attend workshops, join online communities, or invest in mentorship programs to stay ahead of the curve and position yourself for ongoing success. Remember, transforming your daily routine into a money-making machine is not a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a combination of strategic planning, consistent effort, and a resilient mindset. Embrace the journey, celebrate your victories, and keep pushing forward, one step at a time. Turning your daily routine into a business can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. Beyond the obvious benefit of generating additional income, you'll also experience a sense of empowerment and fulfillment from pursuing your passions and leveraging your skills. Many successful entrepreneurs have shared stories of how their side hustles not only provided financial freedom but also allowed them to escape the 9-to-5 grind and pursue their dreams on their own terms. With hard work, determination, and a strategic approach, you too can unlock the benefits of transforming your routine into a thriving business. If you've made it this far, you're already one step closer to turning your daily routine into a money-making machine. But knowledge alone won't get you there. It's time to take action. Start by identifying your potential income streams, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Remember, your passion and expertise are your greatest assets. The road ahead may not be easy, but the rewards of transforming your daily routine into a profitable business are truly life-changing. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, the satisfaction of pursuing your passions, and the financial security that comes with diversified income streams. It all starts with taking that first step today. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and remember that every successful entrepreneur was once in your shoes. You've got this. Throughout this video, we've explored how to identify potential income streams within your daily routine, develop a solid strategy, maximize your time and resources, and leverage various monetization methods to turn your passions into profits. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more fantastic content, and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these insights. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.